Hello everyone. Today we are going to fix Microsoft Store not working, not opening, or any kind of issues if you have with the Microsoft Store. We will be able to fix it with very simple steps. Make sure you watch the whole video and please hit the like and subscribe if it has worked for you. So the very first thing here, you just have to type apps and you will find apps and features. And once the apps and features is opened, we will scroll it down, or we can simply press M and select Microsoft Store from here, and then go to Advanced Options. Once we are in Advanced Options, make sure app permissions have been given, at least for background apps, and then scroll it down, and here we have this Reset app. So we just have to click on Reset, and then once the reset is done, just try to open the Microsoft Store, and if it's not working, we will move to the next step, and that is, I'll just close this, and here I'll type WSRESET. So it's WSRESET, and then we need to run as an administrator. Now the moment I do it, there will be a new black window, and this will appear for 2 to 5 minutes. So this will remove all the cache, all the junk from Microsoft Store, and it will open up the Microsoft Store for you. And then you just have to restart the computer and see if it's working. And if it's not, we will just type in the search bar update. See, it's opening the Microsoft Store for a minute because it has removed all the cache. So I'll just close this. So it has worked for me, but if it's not for you, then type Windows and you will find Windows Update Settings. Here we just have to click on that and make sure you have all the important updates installed, and try to restart the computer and see if it's working. And if it's not, let me know in the comment section. I will surely help. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.